Alright, so we've gotten an office for the NGO. So now, if you want to complain, don't be saying I no CDM. In order to serve everybody, you get problem. Office don't be set. You are done with the painting. Just come upstairs. The Rasta movement is becoming bigger, eh? So now here we do our meeting. The places all want to do boreholes, schools, reach out to communities, real life projects. You understand? Real life, really impactful. This is going to be one office. This is another office. This place, we use this place to one studio. Understand? So if there's a get complaint, but if not something where we say we need to set the device, we will put on. What's in the area? This is going to be another office. Office they cry. Office they cry. The fourth arm of the government, office they cry. Don't take this office. No. So we got another office. We'll be doing a lot here. Not show here first. No. So this place is in Wuse 2. Easy access. So that when you want to come, just tell you stop at the Glow Junction. Trackable distance. You go enter the office, and now you go be on appointment so that here no go full. You understand? An appointment, there will be a phone number, everything, guy. I'll dedicate my life to it. I will not chop money for you. Even this rent, like cost, not cheap. But guess what? Our money will full am. That's our own contribution to the NGO. It cost finish. We use that for NGO, but our own private money enter. People don't send your own contribution. Me now go knock my own down. Who know the take from the NGO we give? So get ready. The front arm of the government is activated. You want to do Wakai as office. Now just declare for the home office. How are you? Come on, sir. How are you? How's your outfit smelling? No police man get through. Where's the backyard? I'm not doing it. Don't do it, please. Good. Very good. That is boys' quarters. All this side now. When people go there, wait. Just in case office don't full. Just wait. You understand? And PQ. Get the point. So, the Vincent Otse Initiative will be fully active very soon. Office have been paid for. We just need some kind of things inside, like people will go do interior decoration and we'll go design the office. We don't get much money yet, and we don't want just pack money once for the NGO. You're going to put for all these kind of things. That's why we ourselves, this place costs a lot. I'm not even going to lie to you. But we decide to do, put in our own money to do it. So get interior decorators, put the chairs and table in it, then we kick off, you know. So if you still want to contribute, you don't need to give us money. If you still not share, you won't buy. Normally, if you buy them, but if you say you know, buy, no problem. No. CEO. No, not maybe CEO. How are you? Yeah? I'm not going to sleep with you in my office. I'm a responsible man. It's an NGO office. Not a blowjob office. Don't seduce me. Leave here. Where's your evidence? If you don't have evidence, leave here. I'm not going to call anybody out because you want to offer me your bum bum. better than that. I can't do it in the office. Let's meet in my house. And they play. This is a lot. Don't play, man. You play God, learn. I will let you have it. Most people, no one is doing this business until we run, sir.